The Samsung Galaxy S25 range is the next major smartphone launch that is on our radar, after the release of the iPhone 16 series. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has been teased with a new render, however we probably won't see it until January. Some renders showing what the next flagship may look like have been put together by Android News and leakers on Leaks. These fresh images, one of which you can see here, show a design that is pretty similar to the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra but with more rounded corners. Although we have seen unauthorized renders of the Galaxy S25 Ultra previously, this is the first time we are getting a look from so many various perspectives. Additionally, unlike the slightly curved edges of the S24 Ultra, the S25 Ultra's four sides are flat, as seen by the renders. Although these renders provide a general concept of what the Galaxy S25 Ultra would look like, Ice Universe notes that they don't fully spawn on. The exact design of the camera rings is one of the main unanswered questions. Nothing has been formally verified as of yet, but the renders provide an indication as to what those rings would look like. Although the camera positioning is correct, the surrounding design is still unclear, and there are a few small errors in the renders, particularly in the metal frame and bezel. There is something to consider if you are closely examining the images, even if they aren't major problems. It's important for fans and prospective purchasers to keep in mind that these renders are still preliminary versions. In other news, certain specifications have been leaked with the renders by Android Headlines and Leaks, indicating that the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra would weigh just 219 grams, which is less than the 227 grams of the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the 232 grams of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Although it will be a little smaller overall, it is anticipated to feature the same 6.8-inch display as the Galaxy S24 Ultra. There is still lots of time, and more leaks are undoubtedly on the way, as we look forward to the Galaxy S25 series introduction in January 2025. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.